How to create group chat on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top right corner, you will find this icon. Click on it. Now here you'll see this option of create a new group. Click on it. With that, you're going to find your friend list. Now from here, you can check in for the friend that you want to add in your group. In this way, if you cannot find in this list, you can type in the name of the person over here and search for it. Once you are done with selecting the people that you want to add in your group chat, here you have to click on it and then type in your group name. After you type in the group name, click on create. And just with that, you have created the group chat. Well, this way you can easily create group chat on Facebook Messenger. This was really simple and quick process. By following the same steps, you can easily create other group chat as well. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.